Adidas continues to celebrate football heritage with special edition Sambas, following recent releases for Real Madrid and Bayern Munich. Now, Aston Villa joins the lineup with its own unique version ahead of the club's 2025-26 kit debut. This limited edition Samba features classic terrace style, highlighted by crisp white leather uppers and maroon suede overlays on the toe and heel. The iconic gum sole adds a vintage feel, while a light blue three stripes nod to Villa's traditional colors. Additional details include VILLANS text on the midfoot and the club crest prominently displayed on the tongue, tying the design to Villa's growing prestige. This release blends retro flair with contemporary club pride, appealing to both loyal fans and sneaker enthusiasts. While there is no official US release date yet, the Aston Villa x Adidas Samba has already hit select European shelves and is expected to launch in the United States soon.